Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to remove domain from Base44. So there is a step-by-step guide. So we will move in the top left is the app, and we will just select it this project. After loading, as you can see, there is a crypto wallet. So this is a crypto wallet on preview. So for remove the domain, we will move in the dashboard. As you can see, just tap, and as you can see, there is an option of domain. So just tap. So right now there is an option of delete, but right now we will not see because I will not create any domain. So whenever you want to remove any of domain from Base44, we will just go in your dashboard and just tap for domains, and right over here you will see an option of delete with the red icon. You will just single tap and it will be delete from Base44. So that's it. Thank you.